inventory checking report for flat 205 Cedar Apartment, 2nd of September at 6 p.m. The main door, 2 sets of key. All the light. On the left hand side, small storage, some screws around, some spots and dirt in the wall. The main door, just got a scratch here, but lock is working. Right. On the right hand side, there's a meter, the water and the electric meter, air conditioning, washing machine. It's working, it's clean, all clean. One of the door, here you go, small broken. Bathroom, light is on, it's a bit broken here. Shower, tiles is very clean, ceiling. Check the hot water. It's hot. It's a cold. All things is clean. All is clean. The cover here is clean. There's the hot water. Flushing system. Here working. Heating. The heating is working. One of the bedroom. Light is on. Small dirt in the carpet. Bed is clean. Under the bed here, there is a dirt color. Wardrobe. Window side. Blind. It's fully working. Side bed. So all is cleaned. Door is cleaned. Lock is on. Living area, TV unit, 2 coffee tables, 1 grey sofa, grey chair. There's the curtains. It's a bit dirty, as you can see here. Window. That window door is locked. That window door is locked. It's not open. But let's see the curtain. Again, the curtains is dirty all over. Balcony door with 2 sets of key. That's the balcony area. Dining table, it's 4 chairs, all good and fully working. Microwave on, very clean, all working. Dishwasher, it's working and clean inside. Bin area, all been cleaned. Sink, check the hot water. Kitchen unit, hot water, all kitchen units clean. All switch for all units. That's working. Check the oven. Oven is all cleaned. That's on. Fridge is working. All is in a good condition. That's all good. All is in a good condition. All cleaned. Intercom system and the main door.